Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about middleware. Middleware basically act as a bridge between a request and a response. It is something type of filtering mechanism basically, and Laravel includes a middleware that verifies whether the user of the application is authenticated or not. If the user is authenticated, it redirects to the home page. Otherwise, if not, it redirects to the login page. Today basically we are going to create a custom middleware that shows how it's working, and also we are going to like authenticate a user with the status, so that any user that have not valid status, like it is inactive, active or inactive, so it accordingly we going to provide access to that user. So for create that, first of all we have to create a middleware class that we are going to create using a command, that is php artisan make middleware, and I am going to provide name check user status. So I am entering. So here it is creating a class file check user status.php. So it is basically inside the middleware folder, and it is look like something this. So basically we are going to write our condition here, like I am going to check a user is active or not. So for doing this we have auth that helps to find the login user. So here it is creating one condition that I am going to check status, like I am check active. Okay, active. So basically here we need to import facades for auth. So it is imported here. Now I am writing condition that it will log out if it is not active. Okay. So it is going to log out, and also we are putting some message redirect back with error. Your account is not active. So you can change your message as per your need. If you have some other condition, you can put it here, and also you can put your message, custom message that you want to put. So it is something that we have to declare inside the middleware file, that is check user status. Now for registering the middleware class, we have app.php file that is inside the bootstrap. So we have to do some like we have to register our class here. So I am going to the with middleware, and I am putting here the code like middleware alias put array, like I am using check user status. So I am taking a name here, You can put any name that you want. Aliasing, it's something aliasing. So basically we have to register our middleware class here like this, and basically we have to define inside the app.php. It is a new structure that Laravel using right currently, so we have to put here. And after this we are going to basically add a column that is status inside the users table, because we are putting condition of middleware class for the status column. So currently we don't have a user status column inside users table. So basically we are going to create a migration file that is like for the command for this php artisan like make migration. So basically we making a migration file to add a column inside the users table. So we are not going to add directly, because we have an option to add through the migration. So I am doing the same. So for doing this like I am creating migration file to users table. Okay, so like this we can add. I am mentioning here the name of the table and created a migration file. So you can see the migration file is created, and if we are going to see, here it is. And now we have to add that column name with the status, like right now I am doing using string. You can use teeny int as well, and put like any kind of integer value as well for doing the same. Currently I am putting default value as active to show, and also I am mentioning here as well, so that if anyone run the rollback command, so it will delete as well the column. Okay, so we can do it like this. And for after this we have to just write the command php artisan migrate. That's it. Now we can check is it added or not. So clearly we can see status column added inside users table. So and the value currently is active. Okay, so now we can going to the web.php file that is inside the routes, and as I have run the like install my Laravel application and also install the bridge package. You can see here composer.json. So here I am using bridge for login and registration authentication. Like it will create automatically, so I am using that. And after that what I have to do is just the name that I have used, check user, I will put name here like this name basically. Where that file, yes, this name. Basically I have to use this name inside the web.php, like it is already checking middleware auth and verified. So I am also putting one my condition that I have added, check user status here. And we can also put this here, because it is creating two different group. So I am also adding here so that anyone cannot access this routes group as well. So as you can see, it is added already here. And now we are going to check through the by login in here. So as you can see, I am using sagar.dev.work@gmail.com for my login. So I am doing the same, and putting my password here. When I try to log in, it is logged in basically, but why? So as we have created all this thing, and now trying to log in from here. So as of now there is status active currently. So if we try to log in here by this credential, we can see it is login. Okay, so it is login here, but when we put any other value like other than active, in active, like I am using inactive right now. Okay, so at the time of inactive and we try to log in again by the same credential, now you can see it is redirect back to the login page, like something like I'm again putting the credential, and you can see here it is redirect back. So I also have to show the message. So what I have to do, I have to go to the login page. It is inside here, and simply we can basically we have a condition like if session has like error, whatever we key setting there, we can basically and if okay, and we are going to put message inside this, like what I am doing. You can customize it as per your UI. So class alert, okay, and doing something like this, session get basically just put it like this, class session and get, and here we put error. Okay, so let's test again. Sorry, here my file. So you can see your account is inactive. Okay, we can show any color as well, like text danger or something. I don't know it is working or not, but still you can test this again. No, it is not. So basically what my goal is to show the message. When again I am going to active this, it will start working again like this. So clearly you can see I can again log in after change the status. So this is something that we have created, and you can also use this like if you're creating any system and you mark any user as a inactive, so you can use this and stop login to the system. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any issue or any query, you can comment, add the any question in comment section. I will surely help you, and thank you for watching.